time for an animation with yours truly, Bloop. Yes, my name is Bloop. It's actually another animation for Mr. Wadesky's class. I research volcano Mauna Loa, and it comes from the Hawaii island. It is a shield volcano. This is a very big volcano. The last time it erupted was 2022 on November 27. Mauna Loa primarily has effusive Hawaiian-type eruptions characterized by fluid, fast-moving lava flows that create its shield shape, but can also have explosive eruptions with ash and pyroclastics, though these are less common, with past explosive events occurring centuries ago and potential for future ashfall hazards. Scientists at the USGS Hawaiian Volcano Observatory continuously monitor Mauna Loa and other U.S. volcanoes using a multi-faceted approach, combining ground-based instruments like GPS, tiltmeters, and seismometers, and gas sensors with remote sensing via satellites and aircraft, all to detect ground deformation, seismic activity, gas emissions, and thermal changes that signal magma movement and potential eruptions, prioritizing public safety and issuing timely warnings. This big guy is very active. It erupted a lot. Some pretty good facts. It's the largest active volcano, and its name means longest mountain in Hawaiian. It rises over 30,000 feet from the deep ocean floor, and it covers 50% of the land area on island Hawaii. And it's erupted 34 times since 1843. Alright, I think 2 minutes is good. I'm leaving. I'm out. This took way too long.